This is no ordinary sofa. It is, in fact, full of features that will take any game room or home theater to the next level, all while being extremely comfortable. It's called a Harbour, and it's a leather dual recliner sofa with built-in heat, massage, and ventilation, amongst other things. Thank you to Valencia for sending this to us for review. Let's get into it. First of all, it just looks beautiful, especially as it matches the color scheme of this room so perfectly. We decided to place the sofa in one of our newest setups, which we've come to call the poker room. As you might expect, we do have a poker table in here, but that's not all. We keep slot machines against the wall to match the gambling theme, as well as a proper PS5 gaming setup here in the middle of the room. This is actually meant to be our retro gaming setup. As you can see, we have some retro consoles here already, but for now, it's also doing the job of being our main PS5 setup. This is because we only recently moved into this house, and we are still working on renovating the basement, where we will be recreating our old dual PS5 gaming corner from our old house, but better. Anyway, there's also a PC gaming setup in here too, in case we feel like playing a PC game or trying out some new components and setup upgrades. We really do prefer console gaming most of the time though, but it's good to have options. We also keep our life-size Spider-Man up here, next to a stocked RGB mini fridge and mesmerizing light cube. The star of the show today though is the recliner sofa right in front of the TV. As mentioned, it's the Harbour from Valencia, and it's full of features. I already mentioned the look of it, with its graphite color, premium Italian Napa leather, and built-in RGB lights that syncs with your audio. The leather is even pet-friendly, which means it's scratch-resistant, something that we desperately needed as our cat Grover loves to follow us around and keep us company as we game up here. It's technically a 3-seater, but the middle seat can also be folded down and act as an integrated center console. This console has 2 cup holders, 2 wireless chargers, and of course, plenty of RGB. The circle you see in the center is a screen dial that lets you control several of the chair's features, most of which are available in the 2 side seats, and each seat can be controlled independently. One of these features is the electric power recline, letting you easily lay back and put your feet up to relax, including powered lumbar and headrest support. It all feels really sturdy too, thanks to its steel frame. Now, even if this is all the sofa could do, it'd still be amazing, but there's even more. The shape of the couch is already providing great ergonomic support, but the best part is by far the air massage. It takes the sofa from comfortable to luxurious, as there's nothing more relaxing than getting a massage while reclined, about to play a really great game. There's even a bonus here, which is the integrated heat and ventilation, which makes it possible to either heat up or cool down your seat. It's been great being able to keep the seat cool during the hot summer, and I'm sure it'll feel really nice when the heat is on during the winter too. I know I mentioned the RGB that reacts to music, but it even has built-in high-fidelity Bluetooth speakers on each side of the sofa, complete with responsive vibration feedback. This gives you a really immersive experience, especially as we otherwise only use a soundbar for our TV's audio. We weren't really sure what kind of seating we wanted in this room a few weeks ago, but we are very happy that we landed on this Harbour sofa from Valencia. It truly feels like it fits right in, plus it's just extremely comfortable, and as mentioned, full of all the features you could want in a game room or home theater setup. Thank you again to Valencia for sending this to us for review and sponsoring today's video. We really enjoy the Harbour sofa, and you can find more info about it through the link in the description below. We have truly loved every product we've tried from Valencia so far, including the main seats in our home theater, so it's always exciting to try out their newest products and see how we can use them to elevate our setups. Please let us know what you think of this feature-packed sofa down in the comments below, and what we should add to the setup next. We really appreciate you watching the video all the way to the end. If you want more videos like these, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel, as we have plenty of exciting videos planned for the near future. You can also find us posting daily short-form content here on YouTube Shorts, on Instagram, and on TikTok at CamXPetra. We also have a website, CamXPetra.com, where we link everything that we use in the setups in case there's something specific you're curious about. Thanks again for watching, and we hope to see you in the next one. Bye.